On today's video, we are going to explain how to get from Madrid airport to the Puerta del Sol and the Gran Via in the center of the Spanish capital. Hola, I am Tony Galvez from Road Trip Spain and Portugal, where we help you plan the perfect trip with practical information and insider tips. We have several videos on the channel detailing how to leave Madrid airport. Today we are dedicating our attention to a very specific destination in the city center, the always popular Puerta del Sol and the Gran Via. Both destinations share a peculiar feature. The only direct means of transportation that will take you to them is the taxi, operating with a fixed fare. Check the up-to-date value in the description of the video. If you want to reach the Puerta del Sol or the Gran Via by bus, underground or train, you will have to change lines along the way. So, if you are traveling with baggage and your budget allows it, do consider the possibility of grabbing a cab at the airport and getting to your accommodation in a stress-free way. Puerta del Sol and Gran Via are quite close to each other, but the transport options that will take you to them are different. So let's have a look at them in detail. Let's start with Puerta del Sol. We are going to show you two ways to get there that are equally valid: the airport train and the airport metro. To get to Puerta del Sol on board the airport train, do the following. Go to the airport train station, which is in Terminal 4, T4. Take the airport train. Either of the two lines that leave the airport, the C1 or the C10 will do. Get off at Chamartín station, which is the third stop. And without leaving the station, take a train on line C3, direction Aranjuez, or a train on line C4, direction Parla. In a short two-stop journey, you will arrive at Sol, your intended destination. To get to Sol by metro from the airport, go to Terminal 2 or Terminal 4, where the airport metro stations are. Take line 8, pink, the airport metro, and travel on it to the final station, Nuevos Ministerios. Here you will change to line 10, dark blue, in the direction of Puerta del Sur. Travel 3 stations to Tribunal, and at Tribunal you change to line 1, light blue, towards Valdecarros. And in 2 stations you will arrive at Sol. Let's now take a look at how to get to Gran Via by metro. Here the explanation gets a bit more complicated because while Puerta del Sol is a single, well-defined point, Gran Via is a long avenue with 4 metro stations served by different lines. Your route will depend on the station you want to get to. We will explain here the best alternatives for getting to each of the 4 stations. If you want to reach Gran Via station, take the airport line to the final station, Nuevos Ministerios, change to line 10 and go to Tribunal, and change to line 1 and go to Gran Via. If you want to reach Callao station, travel on the airport line to the final station, Nuevos Ministerios, change to line 10 and go to Plaza de España, and change to line 3 and go to Callao. If you want to reach Santo Domingo station, travel on the airport line to the final station, Nuevos Ministerios, change to line 6 and travel to Cuatro Caminos, and change to line 2 and travel to Santo Domingo. And finally, if you want to reach Plaza de España station, travel on the airport line to the final station, Nuevos Ministerios, change to line 10 and go to Plaza de España. The combinations we have just mentioned are for those who want to get to their accommodation by metro. But what if we told you that there was another great way to get to Gran Via anywhere along the avenue while spending less? Let's see on the map how it is done. Go first to the airport train station in Terminal 4. Take the airport train. Either of the 2 lines that leave from the airport, the C1 or the C10 will do. Travel to Atocha station. Go outside Atocha station and look for the starting point of bus line 001, which has a very special feature. It's free. Get on the line which runs along the entire Gran Via from start to finish and get off at the stop closest to your accommodation. We have just given you the complete recipe for a perfect journey to your accommodation, but you are missing 3 ingredients that will make the preparation even better. 3 videos from the channel explaining in detail each of the means of transport we've mentioned in this video. In one video we explain how the airport metro works, in a second video we explain how the airport train works, and in the third video we tell you everything you need to know about the 001 bus in Madrid. In the description of this video we're going to place links so that you can easily open these videos and consult the ones that interest you the most. And if you are going to another part of Madrid, don't forget that we also have a video in which we explain all the different ways to get out of the airport. If you have any questions about the subject of the video, use the commentary box to ask. You will see now on the screen a video in which we put everything you need to know if you are thinking of visiting Madrid. We talk about how to get there, when to visit, how to get around, places to visit, day trips, food. Don't miss it. Até mais, hasta la próxima, see you soon.